Hi, my name is Shane and I'm the president of Caliber Environmental Limited. We are the producers of ecocoat, 100% recycled latex paint. Ecocoat comes in 14 colors and it dries to an approximate eggshell finish. We consider recycled paint to be the most environmentally friendly paint that you can buy. By buying a gallon of recycled latex paint, you are preventing the environmental impact of mining, energy consumption, and transportation that is required to manufacture a gallon of virgin latex paint. ecocoat recycled latex paint is suitable for all interior applications where you would use interior eggshell latex paint. For example, on walls, on drywall ceilings, on low impact trim such as window frames or chair rails where you're not going to get impact or scuffing. ecocoat is also suitable for exterior applications such as siding and soffits and window trim and fascia. We do not recommend ecocoat latex paint to be applied to doors or on floors or walked on surfaces. The containers that we sell ecocoat in are 100% recycled plastic. In addition to using recycled plastic in the ecocoat containers, we also recycle all the old containers that the post-consumer paint comes in. So all the metal and all the plastic that enters our facility is eventually recycled. Every day, paint arrives to our facility here in Calgary. It comes to us through other upstream processors who collect and transport the paint from all over Alberta into our facility here. Once the paint arrives in its original containers, it is brought up onto our sorting table. The guys open up each individual container. They're checking for quality in the can. They drill mix it. They're looking at the paint. They're smelling it. They have a 9-point quality protocol that they go through. If anything is wrong with the paint that they observe or smell, the paint actually does not get recycled. We only recycle 70% of the paint that comes into our facility. Once it's been deemed that the paint is good enough to recycle, the guys will sort it based on color. Here at Caliber Environmental, we produce 14 colors. So the paint in its original containers will be sorted into one of 14 different totes initially. Once we have several totes filled of the same color, these totes will all be batched together in our big 10,000 liter mixing tanks. We filter it down to 300 microns, which is the industry standard for virgin latex paints. Once the paint has been filtered and it's coming out of our mixing tank, it goes into our automated filling machine. Once the pails are filled, they're palletized and shrink wrapped, and they're ready for shipment to the dealer.
So hey, check this out. This is some great POP. In-store displays, that's the actual paint that's on there. The person can pick it up, they can see the sheen, they can see the color. As you see, there's a great color range. We can capture just about everything. We have dealer product manuals. This is handy. It's great for staff training, great for just anyone that works in the store, whether it be an owner. I even let customers take a look at it. It has all, of course, the spec sheets, the MSDS and technical data sheets. Color cards, customer can take home. This one's really handy because it goes through, of course, the whole process and how they make it, all the benefits. This one here, nice 4-foot display, kind of fits in half decent, it lines up with our shelves. This is once again, the actual paint that's on the little butterflies through here. Fan decks are always an important tool that we always use. We give them to designers, we have them on site, we have them on the front counter. The beautiful thing with this one is the fan deck is actually in that shape. You know how many times kids come up to the counter, they're with their parents, and they automatically pick that fan deck up because it's shaped like butterflies? And then, of course, Mom and Dad, what's that? Once again, it's another lead-in where we can actually talk about the benefits of this product, the fact that if you have that small little project that you need done, that you have, say, a shed that you want to do, maybe you just want to actually buy a couple gallons of these and let your kids play around and have a really fun garden area. That's where the fan deck comes in handy.